Welcome everybody to Apple Insider. It is Andrew here. You can find me on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. And this here is Ricky. And today we're going to be talking about Apple Arcade. When Apple Arcade originally launched, it had over 100 titles. And that was back in September of 2019. Now here we are, approaching the 2-year mark, and Apple has over 200 titles on Apple Arcade. Apple's continued its breakout pace of releasing a new game really every week. Every Friday we're seeing a new game land on Apple Arcade, and Apple's done a good job of promoting new games within the App Store to get users excited about playing. Users can sign up for Apple Arcade at only $5 a month, but after being subscribed to it for nearly 2 years, has it been worth it? Apple Arcade is going to be different for everyone. For some people, it's going to make sense. Other people, it may not make sense. And I'm kind of on the fence. There's a lot of stuff I like about Apple Arcade. There's a lot of really great games there, and I played quite a bit. Wes over at AppleInsider, he wrote a great article that rounded up all the favorite games from the staff here at AppleInsider. And the biggest takeaway we all had, though, was that Apple just doesn't have that one killer game. You know, we've got Apple TV with breakout hits like Ted Lasso. But Apple Arcade, no one's really playing it. There's people playing it, but there's no big one game that everybody is talking about. We'd heard rumors that Apple was working on something big to take on like Zelda Breath of the Wild. But here we are 2 years in, and we still don't have our Zelda-like game. For me, Apple Arcade has been a little bit of a letdown. I don't regret subscribing to it because, again, it's part of Apple One, so I'm not paying a lot extra for it, but I'm not getting my money's worth either. I'm really looking for a big title to come to Apple Arcade, and 2 years in, I would love if Apple started taking its gaming service a little more seriously. The new Apple TV even seems weird too, because the Apple TV doesn't include a remote that works with many Apple Arcade games. The new Siri remote doesn't have an accelerometer, which means it won't work as the controller for a lot of games as part of Apple Arcade. Apple just makes weird decisions, and for me, Apple Arcade has not fulfilled the promise of being that really nice mobile gaming service that I was hoping for. The good news is, though, that Apple Arcade is at least a better value than it was when it launched. With over doubling the number of games that are all free to play with no ads, there's hopefully something you can find in there if you already are subscribed to Apple One that includes an Apple Arcade subscription. But what do you guys think? Do you guys use Apple Arcade? Has it fulfilled all the dreams that you hoped for? Let me know over on Twitter at Andrew_OSU, and stay tuned. We got a whole lot more videos coming your way. Right, Ricky? Right? Yeah, we do.